The world is warming, with dire consequences for all of us. The UK has determined to achieve net zero carbon emissions in just 30 years. The construction industry has a massive role to play in helping the UK achieve this target. My name is Mark Wakeford, Joint Managing Director at Stepnell and Chairman of the Major Contractors Group under the NFB. Our groups come together to collate our collective wisdom to tackle some of the larger challenges within the construction industry. And there's no larger challenge than helping the UK achieve net zero carbon emissions by 2050. We've produced a report, Transforming Construction for a Low Carbon Future, which is aimed at the whole supply chain. It seeks to inform individuals within organisations of the opportunities and the constraints that a net zero target will impose upon our industry. If our industry can respond, and if our industry can provide our customers with the services that they require in a low carbon economy, then there are enormous opportunities ahead of us. The Committee on Climate Change has forecasted a spend of £15 billion a year on domestic housing and between £5 billion and £10 billion a year on industry. The Environment Agency has suggested a £1 billion a year spend on flood defences, and both the power and transport sectors have their own spending plans, all of which provide significant opportunity to the construction industry within the UK. In an industry that is directly responsible for 10% of the UK's emissions and touches 47% of all UK emissions, we can either be the heroes or the villains of this war on carbon. And the Major Contractors Group firmly believes we have the skills, the opportunity and the organisations to be the heroes, and our report shows how. Transforming Construction for a Low Carbon Future makes 17 recommendations. It recommends to government to help set the environment in which we must work, an environment for success. It recommends to clients to procure on carbon and to explore and accept innovation. To main contractors, who are the fulcrum within our industry, we urge them to understand their carbon footprints and collaborate to be able to provide the embodied carbon within their projects. To designers in the supply chain, we urge you to work out your own carbon footprints and support main contractors and designers in telling their clients what their embodied carbon and carbon in use will be for those projects. And to the myriad of trade federations that represent our industry, we urge you to collaborate with each other, inform all stakeholders and facilitate a low carbon economy. The Major Contractors Group recognise the opportunities that a net zero target provides our industry. I urge you to read the report and use the links to the experts to be able to plot your course to satisfy your customers' requirements and help the UK to achieve its net zero challenges. Thank you for listening, and good luck to both you and your organisations.